have fun, but baby, when you're done, you gotta be the first to run. Rule number 2, just don't get attached to somebody to lose. So let me tell you, this is how to be. Hey guys, it is me, Katy Noah 10, also known as Katie. Today what I will be doing is I'll be making a USA account, because a lot of your comments are saying make a USA account. And I'm not sure why, but I'm just going to make a USA account because I feel like it. There's one of my friends at school that has a USA account. I can't remember her username, but I'll try to remember it. So I'm really excited to make this because I'm probably going to get nowhere. Because without VIP, then I probably can't do anything. So, what is this? Something else. What do I do? Okay, anyways. So let's just get on with this video. Comments. So I'll show you all the comments. Hi, it's Lexi24647. Thank you so much. This is MSP Lover. Thank you so much for the shout out. Intro was brilliant. Cheers for the shout out. Let's go. Great video. Your intro was brilliant. Hi, I am Masters123 little sister. I know. You're new and you have a great channel already. Great job. Nice intro. Do a music video. Intro was great. I think you should do a USA account. I'm in your squad, sister. Oh, thank you so much. Wow, stop showing off. That's a hate comment. That's a hate comment. And then this Alice put, nice video. Watch a video on my channel if you need free music to help improve your videos. No, thank you. I already got music. Thanks. Okay, so let's start with this USA account. Oh, laggy. Okay. Princess. What is it? What is it? Not princess. MSP Lover, I think you should record on computer. It makes it a lot better. What the hell? On her, if you do it on, I do like it. If you do it on, phone, you won't get as much views or subscribers. But if you do it on computers, you'll get more subscribers. I promise you. But if you don't want to, that's my opinion of you doing it. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm not bugging you. Okay. I'm just going to make this account really good, so I'll be back. 24 hours of making this account look good. I finally did it. Okay, let's do a name. Obviously, I'm going to do it as the same as my UK account, so go add my UK. Fingers crossed it's not used. Yes, it's not used. Okay, password. I'm going to do it different than my UK account. Okay. I'll be doing another account giveaway. That was when I was actually born. I wasn't born then. I was born 2005. Or do I have to? 2000. I'm just gonna put 2001. I'm just gonna put March. I'm not gonna put my real month because, like, oh no, that's gonna be there for ages. Great. Okay, hurry up. Like some real. Okay. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna go into make it. I'm gonna do the leveling thing because, like, a lot of people. I've been seeing a lot of videos of people leveling up, getting diamond packs on MSP leveling, something like that. Game free. You see, I've watched nearly all of them, and they're really great. And I've watched that one, and I really, really want to get one. So what do you want? You get it at like 11, level 1. Really? Oh my god! Looking out for that. Okay, I don't care, stupid person. Forgot your name. Oh, Pixie Bumhole. Okay, whatever. By the way, I'm Pixie Bumhole. I can show you around. Let's be not friends. That will be nice. I want to be friends with you. If you want to know how to not be Pixie's friend, then comment down below because I did the glitch for it. So yeah.
Do I get a diamond pack yet? Okay, I haven't got a diamond pack yet, but a lot of people are saying that I don't get all of them. Like, I'll have a look if you don't get all of them. I like this bow the most. It's really cute. I don't like that pink. I'll have I like black and pink. That's a really good colour. Okay, let's see if I get them all. Let's see if I get them all. I probably did. Yeah, I got them all. You do get them all, I'm sure. That's so nice. I really like that outfit so far. It's really cute. Okay, let's keep carrying on. Okay, I'll be back when I'm at least at level 5. Okay, so this girl just texted me. I'm not on level 5 yet, so I've just gone to level 4, but this is really slow. And also, some people are right with not getting them all. You don't get them all. I don't understand. Hi, OJ, I know you're YouTube. Are you the real one? Yes, I am. Okay, so she just texted back saying, OJ, I'm gonna give you a gift for mail time since it says on your bio. What does that mean? Oh, it means status. That's probably what you say in USA, probably. I'm just gonna put okay. You know you don't have to. Go on, wants me 1 second. First ever gift. I wonder what she's got me. I love your YouTube. I will comment next time I will see a new video. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's in capital. Thank you so much, girl. She's really nice. I don't know how she found me. I don't know how. Or she must have found me on the chat room or something. I don't know. Let's have a look what she got me. I'm really excited. Oh my god, it's a rare. How can she? Did you get that in like in a leveling up spam, that thing? That's beautiful. It probably doesn't look beautiful on this figure right now, but it probably did look beautiful on you. That's so nice. I've got a rare. Oh my god. How many hairs have I got? I'm not gonna wear it now until I get like good skin and good stuff. Okay, now I'm going to be doing. Oh, am I going on to that? I'm going to be doing my face and looking at it really good. I'm not going to give this account away because it's going to be my main on my USA. I don't make backups, but I really do need to. My sister says. Perfect colour. I'm just joking. Okay, I need something like, it's not too dark. Like, she's got really dark. I think that's her colour. I think I might have it like, not too bright. The brightest is, is the brightest like something like that? I don't want to have it like that. Oh no, that's too bright. I think I might have it like, I don't know, is that bright? That's a bit darker. Okay. That better be good. It looks good. Okay. Oh, these fat lips. Never had fat lips before. I will not want fat lips. Oh no, so just do this. I'm gonna do the hack. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do the hack. Oh, so I like you want to buy something that's and then like that. Oh my god! I don't want that nose anyway. Oh, I have that. Oh my god, my nose looks so weird. Okay. I'm not going to do the hack right now because I don't really know how you exactly do it. But should I have that one instead of the braces one? I think so. Okay, let's look colour. This colour's nice. Okay, now I'm going to be doing the eyes afterwards. I like putting these your cheekbones look upwards. Why would you have that though? I don't understand. That you can see, you can buy them. Okay, now onto the eyes. Will I have enough? I think so. Maybe not, I don't know. And that's it. I got it. Here we go. I think this is really nice. Not spending all my money, but it's still good. She hasn't texted back for a while. I wonder why she ain't texted back. Okay, that looks cute. Maybe if I do like that, I actually look like I've got VIP stuff. That's cute. I got a cute outfit on so far. It's really cute. Okay, I just need to level up to level 6 and then I'll be back. So, I know it just got to level 4, but please, 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 please like this video, subscribe, and comment down below cat squad, or cat Noah squad. Please give this a thumbs up and add my USA account, and also gift me, since it's mail time on my UK. So yeah, if you want me to do anything else, just comment down below what server I should do and I will do it. Bye guys!